Namita, if the Trinamool Congress was a great party, why would anybody have left?
Celebrating.
I have a request for Pradeep. Pradeep, can you show the poster once more? Lapata ladies wala poster. Pradeep, can you show it the poster once more? No, it's important. Can Pradeep show that poster once more?
Pradeep, ये क्या है? This is not
वो
request.
लापता ladies वाला, हाँ. So I am saying one of them, because we are talking about hotlines, one of them is already on a hotline with Mr.
दिखा दिया
Gandhi.
रिजुत वाले.
One of them is already on a hotline with Mr. Gandhi.
With Mr. Gandhi.
Yeah.
If name because some of them were
No,
before going to
Sir-
Trinamool Congress also on the hotline with Mr. Gandhi. There were some of them.
नाविका जी सारे पाप मुझसे मत कराइए, 100 करोड़ के डिफेमेशन सूट आ जाएंगे. So I can say what I have said.
Okay, all right. What does that tell you, Anand Ranganathan?
What it tells me is अश्विनी जी का चेहरा देख के गाना याद आ गया. यहाँ कौन है तेरा मुसाफिर जाएगा कहाँ, दम ले ले घड़ी भर ये चैया पाएगा कहाँ.
हाँ, एसडी बर्मन बंगाल सिनारियो फिट भी बहुत बैठ रहा है. पर विवेक साइलेंस.
विवेक क्या होगा जनाबे आली? अपनी तो ऐसे तैसे कट जाएगी. आपका क्या होगा जनाबे आली? आनंद जी, जिस हिसाब से डेमोक्रेसी की धज्जियां उड़ा रहे हैं मोदी जी, अगला नंबर आपका है. आपको ये बात समझ में नहीं आ रही? आज दूसरों के घर पे जलने पे खुश होने वाले अगला नंबर आपका है. ये कैसे भूल जाते हो?
क्या है?
हाउ कैन यू सेलिब्रेट द डेथ ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी वेयर बीजेपी इज डिस्ट्रॉइंग एवरी?
Where is democracy dying? No, this is a serious question and I want to debate that. They say that democracy is dying. Pradeep Bhandari, are you killing democracy?
Is democracy dead in Kerala? Is it dead in Kerala? Ask him. Ask Ashwini.
No, Navika ji, the Trinamool Congress as a party was founded, the TMC as a party was founded from the Congress party. हमने थोड़ी ठेका लिया है कि TMC को फ्लोट करके रखो, या हमने थोड़ी ठेका रखा है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी को कितनी सीट आएगी. भाई ये इनकी जिम्मेदारी, इनका घर इनसे नहीं संभल रहा तो हम कौन होते हैं इनके घर को संभालने वाले? हम किसी दूसरे के घर में नहीं झांकते. This is the Congress party that always peeps into somebody else's house. Look at this, what it is doing in Punjab. It has got 1,000 workers from the Aam Aadmi party inside the Congress party. So there is no democracy which is killed inside Punjab by the Aam Aadmi party people joining the Congress party.
Well, Vivek Silas, on a serious note, how is democracy dead? The charge that Ashwini Mishra makes, because it is the Trinamool Congress that is imploding. आपको हाथ लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो खुद ब खुद टूट के बिखरती चली जा रही है. हाथ नहीं लगाया किसी ने, उनके अपने लोग. There was a forged signature that started this journey, a forged signature that was put. People, MLAs of the Trinamool Congress objected to the fact that they had not been consulted and their signatures were forged and put, and there is no CID investigation also that has taken place so far. Yet there is a movement where Mamata Banerjee is protesting, nobody goes there. Ritabrata Banerjee meets people, 58 people go with him, and he has the legitimate size of being recognized as the Trinamool Congress. That is what is written in the rules of the constitution for making democracy survive. How can you allege that democracy is dead?
Navika ji, the only objection today I have in the entire debate, I was listening very carefully and I was very vigilant as well. Comparing the former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to Kim Jong-un is highly objectionable, And I'm very amazed that you didn't, object to that anyway. You talked about at the beginning of the show, it's a Maharashtra model. No, ma'am, it's not a Maharashtra model. It is a toolkit of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Whether it is Maharashtra, MP, Goa, in the Northeast, Karnataka, they tried it even in Rajasthan, they tried it in Himachal Pradesh. Everywhere, it is the same story, And most of the people, most of the parties there who defected from the original party were the supporters or are the supporters of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Someone said in the panel that Ashok Gehlot took 6 MLAs of the Bahujan Samaj Party in Rajasthan, and likewise some of the MLAs from the AIMIM went to the RJD in Bihar, But why do you forget the Lok Jan Shakti Party, Chirag Paswan? They had 6 members of parliament. 5 of them defected and went to the Bharatiya Janata Party. तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी तो अपने खुद की वो खत्म कर देती है, अपने खुद के लोगों को खत्म कर देती है। तो व्हाई डोंट यू टॉक अबाउट दैट एज वेल, यू नो। आज आप देखिए आज क्या हो रहा है, हम डिबेट ही नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम बंगाल पे डिबेट कर रहे हैं। टुडे द शेयर मार्केट हैज डिप्ड बाय 5 लाख करोड़ टुडे इटसेल्फ, एंड वी आर बिलो ताइवान एंड साउथ कोरिया। America has increased the tariff to by 12.5%.
तो आप भी तो साउथ कोरिया नहीं, आपका ध्यान नॉर्थ कोरिया पे है जो एग्जांपल दिया जा रहा है।
नहीं मैम, नॉर्थ कोरिया तो किम जोंग यूंग ने किसी ने नाम लिया था किम जोंग, बिकॉज द स्क्रीन इज नॉट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, तो someone took the name of Kim Jong Un, compared Mamta ji to Kim Jong Un. Today 20 people have lost their lives in Delhi, you know. 1 lakh crore of gold was sold by the Modi government, who called itself Vishguru, you know.
Fake news.
You cannot even conduct a single exam.
So you will digress from the topic. You know, there is a huge political party that has actually been decimated. We should not debate that. We should follow the writ of the Samajwadi Party and Vivek Silas. भाई सुबह स्लिप भेज दिया करो, कौन सा डिबेट हम लोग करें या ना करें, मेरी चॉइस है, मैं डिसाइड करूंगी मुझे कौन सी डिबेट करनी है। और आपको डिबेट का टॉपिक दिया था विवेक साइलस जी, नहीं पसंद था तो ना आते, मना कर देते, आएंगे भी सुनाएंगे भी, ये सही नहीं।
बात की थी उस पे, मैंने कहा ये भी एक टॉपिक है जिस पे हम बात कर सकते हैं।
आनंद,
कहने का मतलब
आनंद
नहीं, देखिए विवेक जी मेरे भाई हैं, एज ही सेइंग कि उनके सामने स्क्रीन नहीं है वो तो पता नहीं, लेकिन उनके सामने फैक्ट सर्टेनली नहीं है। ही इज ब्लेटेंटली स्प्रेडिंग फेक न्यूज। आरबीआई हैज कम आउट जस्ट नाउ विवेक जी 4 hours ago and said Bloomberg was spreading fake news. आप जेल जा सकते हैं, प्लीज अपोलोजाइज करिए, प्लीज डोंट स्प्रेड फेक न्यूज।
Absolute fake news, and I have no space for fake news on the show. हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी, आपने किम जोंग यूंग का नाम लिया, जवाब दीजिए।
नहीं, अच्छा किया विवेक साइलस ने उस पर ऑब्जेक्शन किया। कोई भी जो तानाशाह मानसिकता का होता है उसको तानाशाह ही पसंद आते हैं। बंगाल आपको उससे बाहर नजर आ रहा था। आपके नेता उस वक्त शॉल उड़ाने गए थे जिस वक्त बंगाल करा रहा था, और आपको तानाशाही मानसिकता नहीं समझ में आ रही थी। और आपको लगता है कि देश में रोज आप डेमोक्रेसी खत्म हो गई है, और जहां सचमुच डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है आप सेंट्रल एजेंसीज के ऊपर हमला कराते हैं,
वहां
आपको
आंखों पे
तानाशाही
पट्टी
नहीं दिखती, उस वक्त पट्टी बन जाती है आंखों पर। और मैं फिर से कह रहा हूं, ममता बनर्जी और अभिषेक बनर्जी की तानाशाही मानसिकता की वजह से बंगाल के लोगों ने आज उनको वहां पहुंचा दिया।
नहीं,
आज
मोदी को रोज हिटलर कहें, मोदी को रोज डिक्टेटर कहें, तब कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती है। अब दिक्कत हो रही है, दर्द हो रहा है। प्रदीप भंडारी रिस्पॉन्ड।
Well, Vivek Silas is a man only of fiction and not facts, because Calcutta High Court after the 2021 post-poll violence called that Bengal there is no rule of law, law of the ruler. So the Calcutta High Court also indicated that there is Tanashai which is going on in Bengal under Mamata Banerjee, and Harshvardhan Tripathi has rightly pointed out what Calcutta High Court has said. I'll come to the moot point. If the principal, I was listening to you, sir. Vivek, I was listening to you. Don't get rattled. You will have your time. If the principle of the argument of Vivek is that people who are saying that this is what they are going against Mamta and Abhishek are doing disservice to democracy, then what did Akhilesh Yadav did with Mulayam Singh Yadav? Akhilesh Yadav snatched the mic from Mulayam Singh Yadav and Mulayam wanted to give the party to somebody else. In fact, Akhilesh Yadav towards the last time did not even allow Mulayam Singh Yadav to enter the party office. And all of us know how did he take over the party. So that is democracy for him.
Let's not delve into history. Let's stick to the debate on Bengal. And what we are seeing is unprecedented. Similarities with Maharashtra have been drawn, but I think it's different. There, government was falling. There was, a new government that came in. Here we are seeing just after elections, when you lose the elections, you have 80 MLAs. How quickly the party crumbles in under 30 days. And that is because there are problems within. To blame anybody outside, is that correct? And we ask the people of India the question, will Mamta be ousted from the TMC herself? Yes, say 83%. No, say 12%. Can't say 5%. And that really is the story of what's happening in Bengal. Clearly, when Rome is crumbling around you, you can't say it is somebody else's fault. One will have to introspect and see what are the mistakes we ourselves made. If political parties don't do that when this happens, clearly they've lost the plot. Not just the mandate, but lost the plot, and there is an existential crisis.